To write code, we will be using an online integrated development environment, or IDE for short, called Replit. So I'm going to show you how to create an account on Replit. So the first thing you want to do is go to repl.it, and you should be met with this home page. In the top right, you can click the sign up button. And here, I recommend you just continue with Google and use your TDSB Gmail account. I'm going to continue with Google and just use a random account that I created. Okay, and once you're in, it's going to ask you a little bit of a survey. How much experience do you have? You can answer as truthfully as you'd like. And then it will ask you to start building with a template. So I'm just going to click Explore Replit in the bottom right. I'll skip this step. And this is the dashboard. This is where you can create your projects. So in the top left corner here, I'll just click the Create REPL button. And under templates, I'll search for Python. Find it right here. You can name it whatever you'd like. I'm just going to leave the default generated name, and then when you're ready, just click Create REPL. So it gives you this little walkthrough of the interface. I'm just going to close this and explain it myself. So there are three main parts. There's the file view on the left-hand side. You can see all the files you've created. Mainly, we're going to work with just main.py. In the middle here, you can see the file itself that you have opened. So we're looking at main.py here, and you can write your code as you would in this file. On the right-hand side, we have the console, and this is where you'll see the results of the program when you run it. So you run your program by just clicking this Run button up here. So if I put some simple Python statement that says print hello world, and I click Run, you'll see in the console it prints out the text hello world. So one extra thing that I recommend is disable some of the AI features that REPL has. They could be useful for people who are really developing software and they need to save as much time as possible. But since we're just learning basics, AI will often just get in the way and cause confusion. So down here in the bottom left, under Tools, if you go to User Settings, it should open up this User Settings pane. And you can find here, there should be an option for AI Code Completion. You could disable that. AI Advanced Model, you could disable that as well. And Code Intelligence, you could disable that as well.